Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at GBPJPY for this week. Now, before I get started, I have a Patreon account. Make sure you actually check it out. In the account, I will be sharing with you some exclusive content, content that I believe it has about 70 to 90% chance of hitting, analysis of about 70 to 90% is exactly what I want to be sharing with you. You can actually give it a trial, by subscribing. If at the end of the month you actually don't get what you deserve or what I promise you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription or your membership. So I'll link the Patreon account or put the link in the comment section. So check it out. So now let's start this GBPJPY with the monthly time frame. You can see the movement, the foot trend. This is an bullish move. This is an uptrend move, right? Once we have an higher highs, then there must be an higher lows, then an higher highs again. So this will be seen as an highs, then a pullback. Then we can take a look at this again as a new highs, and then you can see this is a drop or a pullback as you want. So the next movement we'll be expecting on GBPJPY is a bullish move. So take a look at this weekly time frame, right? 2 weeks ago we actually had a bullish massive move, right? So this week that just finished, which is last week, we also had a bullish move, right? So now this week that we are predicting for on GBPJPY, we will be expecting a bullish move. So let's see if we can grab between 150 to 200 pips for this week. So GBPJPY, we will be watching out for a bullish move, coupled with the fact that interest rates will be released. So once there's an increase in interest rates, you definitely know what will happen, right? So GBPJPY, more bullish move. If you have to go to the daily time frame, right? So this week we'll be expecting this ice to be broken. So this GBPJPY needs to push up and take out this ice. But first, let's see if the drop will be made before GBPJPY will go bullish for the week. And now to the 4-hour time frame. Now let's see if this one more drop will be made before we actually go up again. Like I said, check the Patreon channel in the link below. So and give it a try, by the way.